This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Baker. Rare turn of the century, corner twnhm west/gracious foyer and French pocket doors to fantastic kit. That features a fireplace, new KitchenAid stainless steel fridge and dishwasher and Jennaire gas range. A wall of glass windows reveals a magical private courtyard. French doors on the other side of the foyer lead from to living room. Prim bedroom features fireplace and family room balcony and ensuite bath. 3 fireplaces, a skylight, family room balconies, high ceilings, 5 spacious bedrooms, a fantastic loft/office west/exposed brick and lots of closet space make this lovely home a great blend of old and new in historical Raleigh Square. For more information, review the details.